Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got to another video. In this video I'll show you how you can get a loan on Revolut. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So now for you to get a loan, right over here you can see, first thing, open up your browser and then go ahead, search it up, Revolut loan, so it can direct you to the loan site of the Revolut. Once you have done that, this is how the interface gonna look like. You can see instant payouts, flexible repayment dates, and etc, etc. First, go ahead, go to the check it out, the functions of it. You can see borrow in a few steps. We have to apply, we can apply up to 35,000 euros and with interest rate of 5.99%. Next thing is spend it your way, repay flexibility is available. These are the functions. Now when you're ready, tap on this option of apply now. Now once you do that, it will redirect you directly to your app. Go ahead, sign in and go ahead, fill out the information of yours and your loan itself. Go ahead, fill out the form, apply it, and wait for the confirmation. That is all it takes. So hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.